Adventure doesn't wait, and neither should you. Amazon has gear that's designed for people who like to stay ahead. These tactical picks are all about being ready, no matter where life takes you next. All these mentioned products links are in the description below. Number 30. Gerber Gear Stakeout Spark. This slim little multi-tool is a total game changer for outdoor trips and everyday use. It packs 10 useful tools into one tough stainless steel body, like a knife, saw, bottle opener, tent stake puller, and even a striker for your fire starter. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and clips right onto your bag or belt with a carabiner. At just over 4.5 inches closed and barely over 3 ounces, it won't take up space, but comes in the clutch when you need it. Perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, or just tossing in your glove box or toolbox. Number 29. WaterLight. Taking a regular flashlight on a long trip might not always cut it, especially when you're off the grid. That's why WaterLight stands out. This innovative lamp runs on something as simple as salt water. Just pour in half a liter, and it can shine for up to 45 days without needing a recharge. Not only does it provide reliable light, but it also has the power to charge your gadgets, making it a perfect companion for camping, emergencies, or remote travel. With a total lifespan of around 5,600 hours, WaterLight is a brilliant example of clean, renewable energy in action. Number 28. Jetboil Flash. Jetboil took their popular design and made it even better with the Jetboil Flash. This upgraded burner is safer, easier to use, and just as efficient as ever. Perfect for campers and hikers who need speed and reliability. Weighing just 371 grams, it boils 16 ounces, about half a liter, of water in around 2 minutes, making it ideal for coffee or prepping dehydrated meals on the go. It comes with a 1-liter cooking cup and even includes a silicone French press attachment, so coffee lovers can enjoy a fresh brew wherever the trail takes them. Number 27. Tactical Rapid Deploy Kit. Designed for immediate response in high-threat environments, this belt-mounted individual first aid kit ensures rapid access to life-saving supplies without hindering mobility. The rugged pouch integrates a quick-release mechanism, allowing medics or operators to deploy essential trauma tools within seconds. Inside, you'll find essentials such as a tourniquet, pressure bandage, chest seal, and compressed gauze, all securely organized yet easy to access under stress. Constructed from ballistic grade nylon, the kit resists abrasion and moisture in the field. Compact yet comprehensive, it clips seamlessly onto duty belts, perfect for combat medics, tactical first responders requiring compact, ready-to-go trauma support. Number 26. Real Avid Gun Tool. This handy multi-tool is perfect for anyone who spends time at the range or out hunting. It's packed with everything you need to keep your shotgun or rifle in top shape, like hex drivers, Phillips and flat bits, a scope adjustment blade, choke tube wrench, and even a sharp little pocket knife blade. If you're tweaking your scope, changing a choke, or doing quick maintenance in the field, this thing has you covered. Built from tough stainless steel with grippy side plates, it's durable, easy to carry, and way more useful than digging through a box of loose tools. Number 25. GCI Cook Station. This is a clever upgrade that transforms your compact stove into a more stable, group-friendly cooking setup. It is designed for convenience and safety. It lets you lower the height of your stove by a few inches while extending the base for better balance, especially useful on uneven ground or around kids and pets. For example, it reduces the height of a typical windburner stove system from 13 inches to 11 inches while adding a wider footprint, no longer relying solely on the fuel canister for support. Number 24. Tactical Shovel Folding Axe. This heavy-duty survival tool is built for serious outdoor tasks and emergency situations. Made from high-carbon steel with reinforced casting, it's designed to handle tough jobs without breaking down. It combines 24 different functions in one compact design shovel: axe, saw, hoe, whistle, compass, fire starter, and more, making it perfect for digging, chopping, sawing, or even opening bottles. The handle adjusts between 3 lengths and folds down for easy storage in a compact pouch. If you're camping, hiking, off-roading, or prepping your vehicle for emergencies, this rugged all-in-one tool is ready for whatever the wild throws your way. Number 23. RecPak. If you're someone who hikes, works in rescue, or just wants to be prepared for emergencies, RecPak is a game changer worth adding to your kit. Each small pouch weighs only 190 grams, but it packs a serious punch. 700 calories and 42 grams of protein in a single serving. All you need is 350 milliliters of water, and in minutes, you've got a ready-to-eat energy-boosting meal. Unlike most protein bars or typical trail food, RecPak is made with over 12 natural ingredients, including whole grain oat flour, and gives you 25% of your daily vitamins and minerals. With tasty flavors like coffee and strawberry, it's not just nutritious, it's actually enjoyable. Number 22. Trip Alarm. Stay safe and aware on your next outdoor adventure with this camping trip alarm system, a smart and effective way to protect your campsite, property, or restricted area. Designed for safety, not harm, this alarm uses a concealed tripwire that, when triggered, sets off a loud audible alert to warn you of unwanted movement, be it a wild animal or an intruder. Perfect for campgrounds, farms, gates, or entry points, it gives you peace of mind without causing harm. The device is spring-triggered, reloadable, and fully reusable, making it a reliable part of your security gear. Number 21. Camping tent. Looking for a camping tent that's quick to set up, roomy, and built for comfort? This inflatable tent made from durable 600D Oxford cloth offers a hassle-free camping experience for families or large groups. With the included hand pump, it inflates in just 5 minutes and is fully set up within 10 minutes. No complicated poles or tools required. Once inflated, it becomes self-supporting. With PU-coated, high-density Oxford fabric, the tent provides excellent UV protection and light rain resistance. While it's durable for fair weather camping, a waterproof cover is recommended in case of heavy rain or storms. Number 20. Tactical Fixed Blade Knife. Built for tactical performance, this fixed blade knife features high-grade steel, offering excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and cutting power in high-pressure situations. Its full tang design adds strength and reliability, while the ergonomic grip ensures control during intense use. If you're breaching, cutting through materials, or handling field tasks, this blade is ready for action. It comes with a rugged Kydex sheath for secure, low-profile carry on your belt or tactical rig. Compact, durable, and mission-ready, this knife is a dependable tool for operators, survivalists, and anyone who needs serious cutting power in the field. Number 19. Self-Defense Umbrella. This discreet tactical tool is built to serve dual purposes: reliable weather protection and effective self-defense. Constructed from unbreakable fiberglass, it's tough enough to handle harsh wind, rain, or snow without folding under pressure. The reinforced carbide tip is designed for defensive strikes when needed, making it ideal for unexpected threats in public settings. Lightweight and easy to carry, it blends seamlessly into urban environments while offering a solid grip and sturdy reach. If you're on a mission, traveling, or commuting, this tool keeps you shielded from the elements and ready to respond with force when the situation calls for it. Number 18. Survival Paracord Bracelet. This tactical paracord bracelet packs 20 essential survival tools into one compact wearable design. Built for emergencies, it features an upgraded compass, SOS LED light with 3 modes: fire starter, loud rescue whistle, thermometer, and 10 feet of 550-pound paracord. The LED light can be seen from over 30 feet and lasts more than 18 hours, while the high decibel whistle ensures you're heard when it matters. The paracord is strong enough for shelter building, securing gear, or emergency situations. If you're hiking, camping, or in a survival scenario, this multifunction bracelet keeps critical tools right on your wrist. Number 17. Card Folding Molle Scissor. This tactical multi-tool is designed for ultimate functionality in high-pressure environments. Combining folding Molle scissors, an army knife, and a mini bicycle repair tool, it packs essential gear into a compact card-sized form. Ideal for field operations, tactical missions, and emergency situations, this tool offers quick access to multiple functions without adding bulk to your loadout. Perfect for handling repairs, cutting tasks, or small field operations, it's built to endure tough conditions. Lightweight and rugged, it's an essential addition to your tactical kit, ensuring you're always ready for any challenge that comes your way. Number 16. Tekto A2 Badger. Engineered for tactical readiness, this folding blade is built to perform in high-pressure situations. The 3.1-inch titanium-coated D2 steel blade delivers superior edge retention, hardness, and resistance to wear ideal for intense field use. Its G10 and carbon fiber handle ensures a non-slip ergonomic grip even in wet or gloved conditions. The ceramic ball-bearing mechanism allows for lightning-fast, one-handed deployment, crucial in time-sensitive scenarios. Equipped with a reinforced glass breaker that doubles as a lanyard hole and spacer, it's a reliable tool for breaching, rescue, or survival. Compact yet mission-capable, it's a versatile asset for any tactical loadout. Number 15. Tactical First Aid Kit. This tactical medical kit is built for fast response in high-stress situations if in the field, on the road, or during outdoor missions. Packed with essential first aid gear, it includes everything from standard wound care to advanced zip-stitch closures for treating deep cuts when medical help isn't immediately available. Compact, rugged, and mission-ready, it's perfect for operators, survivalists, or anyone needing a reliable trauma solution in unpredictable environments. It integrates seamlessly into your gear loadout, go bag, or vehicle kit, making it an essential tool for tactical readiness and emergency response. Number 14. Tactical Mini Shield. Designed for high-threat tactical scenarios, this ultra-durable ballistic shield, while maintaining a compact and agile form, its advanced composite armor construction resists high-velocity rifle rounds, making it ideal for breaching, room clearing, or vehicle operations. The low-profile design allows for quick maneuvering in confined environments, giving operators enhanced mobility without compromising safety. A reinforced grip system and adjustable forearm support provide control and comfort during sustained use. With a non-reflective matte finish and integrated sight window, this tool ensures stealth and visibility in critical moments, making it a mission-ready asset for tactical teams facing rifle threats. Number 13. Window Breaker and Seatbelt Cutter Tool. This essential car escape tool combines a window breaker, seatbelt cutter, and flashlight all in one compact design. The seatbelt cutter is sharp and effective, allowing quick release in emergencies, while the window breaker easily shatters glass for fast escape. Equipped with a bright flashlight, this tool ensures visibility in low-light situations. Designed for portability, it features a keychain attachment, making it easy to carry or keep in your vehicle. The set includes 2 units, one black and one green, perfect for ensuring safety in your car, providing peace of mind in emergency situations like accidents or underwater escapes. Number 12. Tactical Card Multitool. This slim, wallet-sized multi-tool is crafted from durable stainless steel, offering multiple functions in a compact, minimalist design. It features a can opener, screwdrivers, wrench, ruler, and money clip, all integrated into a single card-sized tool that fits easily into your wallet. Perfect for everyday carry or survival situations, it provides practical solutions for quick fixes, opening bottles, or measuring on the go. Its lightweight and compact nature make it an ideal addition to your tactical gear, ensuring you're always prepared without the bulk of traditional tools. A must-have for anyone looking to stay ready in any situation. Number 11. Thyrm CellVault-18. This compact and durable storage case is designed to safely hold and protect rechargeable batteries. Built to withstand tough conditions, it offers secure, organized storage for your batteries, keeping them dry and safe from environmental factors. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, or anyone who relies on rechargeable power sources, the case ensures your batteries are easily accessible when needed. Its rugged construction prevents damage from impact, while its portable design makes it easy to carry in your backpack, emergency kit, or gear bag. Perfect for ensuring your batteries are always ready for use, no matter where you go. Number 10. Dango Multitool Wallet. This sleek, minimalist wallet is designed for those who prefer a compact, functional carry. Crafted from durable leather, it features RFID blocking technology to protect your personal information from electronic theft. The slim profile fits comfortably in your pocket, while still offering space for your cards, cash, and ID. What sets it apart is the integrated multi-tool, providing additional utility without sacrificing style. If you're on the go or need a discreet everyday carry, this wallet combines practicality and security, making it an ideal choice for men who value both efficiency and a streamlined design. Number 9. Mini Crossbow. This compact compound crossbow is built for tactical performance, offering fast speeds of up to 300 FPS, making it suitable for both tactical training and hunting scenarios. With a 130-pound pound draw weight, it's designed to shoot heavy bolts with precision, including broadheads for critical strikes. Its compact size, 16 by 5 inches, and lightweight build, 2.46 pounds, ensure it's easy to carry and deploy quickly, fitting seamlessly into a tactical pack. If in the field for survival situations or discrete tactical operations, this crossbow combines portability, power, and accuracy, offering dependable performance without compromising maneuverability. Number 8. Combat Shirt Tactical. This tactical shirt is designed for ultimate functionality and comfort, making it perfect for military, outdoor, and EDC use. Featuring a 1/4 zip front, long sleeves, and a durable camo design, it offers both style and utility. The shirt includes multiple pockets, allowing for easy storage and quick access to essential items while on the move. Its lightweight, breathable material ensures comfort during long hours in the field, while the rugged construction stands up to tough conditions. Ideal for tactical operations, hiking, or everyday carry, this shirt is built to keep you prepared and comfortable in any environment. Number 7. Retevis RT22. These portable two-way radios are designed for clear, reliable communication over long distances. With a rechargeable battery and USB charging capability, they offer convenience and long-lasting power for extended use. The compact, lightweight design makes them easy to carry and operate, while the hands-free feature allows for seamless communication without needing to hold the device. If you're outdoors, at a job site, or coordinating a group, these radios provide a practical and efficient solution for staying connected. With easy-to-use controls and long-range capabilities, they're perfect for adults in any setting that requires reliable communication. Number 6. Vortex Optics Recce Pro. This high-performance monocular is built for serious outdoor enthusiasts and tactical use. Featuring an HD optical system, it delivers clear, bright images even in challenging conditions. Equipped with an MRAD reticle for precise targeting, it also includes a utility clip for easy attachment and an adjustable eye cup for comfortable viewing. The durable rubber armor provides a non-slip grip, ensuring stability during use, while its fog-proof and waterproof design makes it reliable in all weather conditions. Backed by an unlimited, unconditional warranty, this monocular is ideal for hunting, hiking, or any activity where superior optics and rugged durability are essential. Number 5. Multifunction Tactical Watch. This rugged military-style watch is built for the outdoors, offering a combination of functionality and durability. Featuring a waterproof design, it's ideal for sports, hiking, or any activity where exposure to water is inevitable. The watch includes a multifunction LED face, displaying essential details like the date, time, and alarm settings. It's equipped with a durable construction to withstand tough conditions and daily wear. With its tactical design and practical features, this watch ensures you're always on time and prepared if you're in the field, on a hike, or taking on your next adventure. Number 4. Magnetic Tactical Flashlight. This high-performance tactical flashlight is built for serious field use. It delivers up to 2,100 lumens of brightness with a 500-meter beam distance, perfect for long-range visibility during night operations, hunting, or emergency response. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it offers up to 8 hours of runtime and recharges fast via a magnetic USB cable. A tail switch lets you toggle between modes easily, even with gloves on, while the textured grip and durable clip keep it secure. Built tough with an IPX8 waterproof rating and drop tested to 3 meters, this light is rugged, reliable, and mission ready. Number 3. Tactical Mask. This tactical-grade full-face respirator is built to provide superior protection in extreme environments. It shields against toxic gases, contaminants, and other harmful substances. Designed for tactical operations, it features a durable, reusable construction with an integrated drinking system for hydration during extended missions. The mask offers a secure fit and a wide field of vision, essential for situational awareness in high-stakes scenarios. Equipped with advanced filters, this gas mask is perfect for military, law enforcement, and survival situations where reliable protection and comfort are critical. Number 2. Condor Recon Chest Rig. This tactical chest rig is designed for efficient gear organization and quick access during operations. It features padded, crossback shoulder straps with webbing, and D-rings for comfort and adjustability. The Swivy Lockster Swivel Push-Release buckles ensure easy attachment and detachment. Equipped with 3 built-in stacker-style mag pouches, it holds up to 6 M4 mags and 6 pistol mags, allowing for rapid reloading. Additional features include a front pocket pouch with a hook and loop panel for secure storage and 2 open-top mag pouches on each side for quick access. Perfect for tactical missions, training, or law enforcement use. Number 1. Anti-Fog Tactical Goggles. These tactical shooting glasses are designed to provide optimal protection and visibility during high-intensity activities. Featuring anti-fog lenses, they ensure a clear, unobstructed view in challenging environments. The eyewear comes with 3 interchangeable lenses to adapt to various lighting conditions, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Built for durability, the impact-resistant lenses protect your eyes from debris, glare, and UV rays, while the rugged design withstands tough conditions. Included is a hard case for safe storage and easy transport, making these glasses a must-have for shooters, hunters, and tactical professionals. So that's it for today. We hope you already liked the video. Thank you for watching.